At the crossroads of law and human resources stands Young Business Leader of the Year, Adeline Sim, a visionary whose unique blend of legal acumen and people skills has revolutionized HRnetGroup since joining in 2009. As Executive Director and Chief Corporate Officer, she has catapulted HRnetGroup into the limelight as one of Asia's largest staffing firms, spreading across 17 cities and 16 markets with a robust network of over 900 recruiters. Ms. Sim's legal finesse was sharpened at Drew & Napier, where she dealt with dispute resolution and capital markets. At HRnetGroup, she leads a formidable team, providing legal support across all business units, influencing the company's strategic growth and technological advancement, and fortifying communications and marketing. Guided by her strategic vision, the company successfully expanded its portfolio through strategic acquisitions of 4 notable firms: RE Force in mainland China, Centrepoint Personnel in Hong Kong, HRnet Rimbun in Indonesia, and Octomate in Singapore. Her strategic maneuvers include a $15 million pre-IPO investment from Temasek's subsidiary Heliconia, leading to a landmark $174 million IPO. Financially, the company is thriving under Ms. Sim's stewardship, boasting a 47% average annual growth in net profits and a remarkable 41% ROI over 3 years. With no debt and a cash reserve of $271.6 million, HRnetGroup emerged resilient through the pandemic, seizing strategic business opportunities to diversify revenue streams. Beyond the corporate realm, Ms. Sim's people-centric philosophy extends to her community work. She chairs the Lifelong Learning Institute, contributes to Skills Future Singapore, and supports numerous organizations, reflecting her commitment to lifelong learning and financial literacy. With her sights set firmly on the future, Ms. Sim's focus on a contented workforce and robust cash flow drives HRnetGroup to surpass its financial goals yearly, reinforcing its standing as an industry leader. Adeline Sim is not just leading a company, she's crafting a legacy of innovation, integrity, and inspiration.